Here I have Poco X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. To do this, firstly you have to open Play Store, then tap on this icon here, go to the My Apps and Games, and here you have this updates pending section. So as you can see, I have like tons of the unupdated apps. You can tap update all button and update them all at once, but it will take like some megabytes to update them. Or you can just tap update button next to each app which you want to be updated right now. So yeah, you have different options with how you want to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.